Yes, children. We were discussing exercises, right? So, in the previous class, we have solved first question, and today we are going to solve the remaining questions. Okay? We'll start solving exercise. Yes. What is that second question? Mark T if the statement is true and mark F if the statement is false. Okay? Yes. Take down that. Second main question. Mark T if the statement is true. If the statement is true and F if it is false. Okay? If it is false. Then A. Right? What is that first one? Write down. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Is that first question? Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Is this statement true or false? Whether starch is going to digest in stomach? Is it true? The digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Is this statement true? No, what it is? In stomach, starch is not going to digest, right? So here, the digestion of starch starts in stomach is a false statement. So mark it as F or write down false. F-A-L-A-C. Then B. So here then second one, write down that second one. B, the tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Right? The tongue helps in mixing food with the saliva. Is it true or false? Yes. The tongue helps for mixing food. So here what we have to mark here? This statement is true. So mark here T. Okay? Yes. The next one take down. C. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Temporarily. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Is it true or false, children? We know that the bile juice, it is going to be secreted and it is going to store in a gallbladder, right? So here this is also true. Okay, this statement is also true. Then next one. The ruminants bring back the the ruminants bring back swallowed food, bring back swallowed grass into their mouth, and chew it for some time, Yes, is this statement is true or false? What happens here in the grass eating animals? The cud, directly fall. See here, the ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Is it true or false? It is true, because after that we had seen that even though those buffaloes and grass eating animals, they are not eating, but they are continuously chewing. So it indicates what? That cud. I told you, whatever the swallowed grass, it is going to be stored in the rumen. And later that cud is going to be come back to the mouth, and after that animals are going to chew it for a certain time. So that statement is true. Now here the second question is over. Next we'll move to that third one. Third main question. That is what? Tick mark. We have to write tick which statement, which option is right. We have to make a right mark. Take down third one. Tick right mark. The correct answer in each. Tick right mark. The correct answer in each of the following. Third one. Tick right mark. Tick right mark. The correct answer in each of the following. In each of the following. Each of the following. Right? First one. Fat is completely digested in the. Right? Fat is completely digested in the. Now write down the options here. A, that is stomach. Then mouth. Then third one, small intestine. Then fourth one, large intestine. Large intestine. Small intestine, large intestine. Which option is right? Which option is right here? The fat is completely digested in. It is going to digest it in small intestine. So mark here. Small intestine is a right answer. Then B. Water from the undigested food is absorbed. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the, so now options. First option, stomach. And second, food pipe. And third one, small intestine. And fourth one, large intestine. Okay, which option is right here? Where the water is going to be absorbed? In which organ? Where the water is going to be absorbed by undigested food. You know that when undigested food is going to be next pass to the large. So here in the large intestine, the water is going to be absorbed. Water is going to be absorbed. Okay. Next question. Match the following. Okay, we need to match the items in column A with the column 2. Next one, table, match the following. So first children, you have to write down the question, and below that question, again you have to write the column A and column B. While writing column B, write the proper answer in front of my column A items. I will tell you how to write. So match the items of column A with the column 2. Fourth one, match the items of column 1 with the column 2. Okay. So here is 1 and 2. Write down the whatever you given. Food components. Then carbohydrates. C. Proteins. And D is fats. Okay. So here, first one, fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol. Then second one, products of digestion. Then third one, sugar. Fourth one, amino first here you have to write in this way. And below, again, you have to write down the whatever the items in column 1, write down as it is. And in front of that, we'll write a corrected answer. Okay, don't put any arrow mark while matching the items. Okay, now you are not the kids means primary section. That's the reason. Don't draw any lines while matching. So you have to write the corrected items in front of that column. Okay, so here now we will write that the corrected answer. Column 2. What is that? Food components is what? What is food components? Which one we have to write here? Products of digestion. Okay, so here write down food components is what? Products of digestion. Products of digestion. Next, carbohydrate. So in your column B, which one is going to be correct for carbohydrate? When carbohydrates break down, they are going to form in which form? They are going to sugar. Okay? Answer is sugar. I'm sorry. Okay. Then proteins. You know that in the intestine, when protein is completely digested, what is going to form there? The protein is converted into amino acids. So answer is amino acids. Then fat, nothing but fatty acids. Like this you have to write in your notebook. In front of that column A, you have to write the proper answers. Right? Understood here? Okay. The next question. We'll go to the next question. What is the next question? What are villi? What is their location and function? Alright. Next question. So dear children, after solving this exercise, you have to send your whatever you have written, like photos you have to send to me. The completed exercise notes. Then fifth one, what are villi? What is their location? What is their location? What is their location? And function. And function. Okay. Then how to write here? Answer. Answer. First write villi are finger-like outgrowths. What are villi? Villi are finger-like outgrowths on the inner walls of the inner walls of the small intestine. Small intestine. Okay? Yes. And here the location. We write location, okay? Below finger-like outgrowths only write on. Location will write here. Inner walls of the small intestine. Okay. Outgrowths. Location will write here. Inner walls of the small intestine. Function. Okay. What is the function here? It increases the surface area of. It increases the surface area for absorption of digested food. So write down here. Increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. So here, what are villi? Villi are the finger-like outgrowths. Where we are going to find these villi? Which are situated in the inner walls of the small intestine. And what is the function of those villi? They are going to increase the surface area for the absorption of the digested food. Okay? Yes. The next question. What is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Okay. Next question. Where is the bile produced? Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food? Which component of the food? Which component of the food does it help to? Does it help to digest? Take down the answer. Bile produces in the liver. Bile produces in the liver. Bile produces in the liver. It helps to digest. Digest fat. What is this fat? Fat, the component of food. Component of food. Okay. So where is the bile? Bile produces in the liver and it helps to digest the fat. Next question. 7th. Name the types of carbohydrates that can be digested by ruminants but not by human. Give the reason. Okay? Yes. Name the type of carbohydrate. Name the type of carbohydrate. That can be digested by ruminants. But not by humans. So here, not by humans. Give reason. Okay. What is that? Carbohydrate. Whereas it is going to be digested by ruminants, but that carbohydrate is not digested in a human, and we have to give the reason why it is not digested in humans. Okay? Yes. First, write down what is that carbohydrate which is present in a ruminants. Okay? That is cellulose. Okay? Cellulose is the type of carbohydrate. Cellulose is the type of carbohydrate. Okay. Already they have given what they have told, that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. We have to give reason. So here write down reason. In that first one. Right. Point wise we'll give the answer. Okay? So that easy to understand and easy to learn. The cellulose of the food. The cellulose of the food is digested by the action of food. Is digested by the action of certain bacteria. Which are present in animals. Which are present in grass eating animals. But not present in humans. Then second point, right? So here cecum is present between the esophagus and the small intestine in ruminants, which is absent in humans. Is that cecum is present between the esophagus and the small intestine. Esophagus and the small intestine, in ruminants, which is absent, in human. Okay, so here the reason behind that, why the cellulose is not digest in human, but it digests in a ruminants. Okay, the reason behind that is what? The cellulose of the food is digested by the action of certain bacteria which are present in a ruminants, grass eating animals, but which are absent in human. Okay, or also we can not present in human and write which are absent in a human body, right? And the second reason for that is, what is the second reason for that is the cecum, right? Cecum is present in between esophagus and the small intestine in ruminants, which is absent in human. Okay, understood this question? Next one, 8th one. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Next question, 8th question right now. Why do we get glucose instant energy from glucose? Okay, next one, 8th question. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Answer, it easily breaks down in the cell with the help of oxygen. First reason, because it easily break down in the cell with the help of oxygen. Then second reason is it is directly absorbed into the blood. It is directly absorbed. So that's the reason we'll get energy very fast. Okay, instant energy absorbed into the blood. Okay, directly absorbed into the blood. Then 9th question. Which part of the digestive canal the parts of the digestive canal, we have to write which part it is going to involve. So here, which part of the digestive canal is involved in. Okay, so below, first one, absorption of food, absorption of food, then second, chewing of food, chewing of food, then third one, killing bacteria, killing of bacteria, then fourth one, complete digestion of food, then fifth one,